Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the Vios door lock. Remove the inner trim carefully and keep screws safe. Use a trim pry tool to pop clips. Once done, unbolt the water shield and peel it back gently so you can see the actuator. Make sure to disconnect the battery negative terminal if you're near wiring to avoid short circuits. As you remove panels, note cable routing and clip positions so reassembly is straightforward. This prevents misalignment later when you reattach the mechanism. You now test the actuator and linkage to find the fault. Apply 12V directly to the actuator short bursts to observe motion. If it moves slowly or not at all, the motor is failing. Check metal rods and plastic clips for bends or breakage because a broken clip often mimics electrical failure. If linkage binds, lubricate pivot points with silicone spray and free seize joints. If the motor is shot, swap the actuator with the new unit, making sure connectors seat fully and rods reconnect to their correct positions. You finish by reassembling in reverse. Secure the actuator, route rods into clips, refit the water shield and inner trim, and tighten fasteners to a firm hand torque. Once done, reconnect the battery and run several lock cycles using the key, fob, and interior lever to confirm consistent operation. If the lock fails intermittently, make sure to inspect the wiring harness for broken strands and check the door ground continuity. Poor grounds or frayed wires often cause sporadic behavior and will.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.